Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Demystifying Guitar series with me, Madenge. Today's video is a genesis of a series where we are going to look at rhythm guitar playing. All musicians have a role of supporting the main melody of the song, but we as guitarists have to be creative, and most of the times we play the rhythm guitar. We play the rhythm guitar, and at times it might be boring and repetitive. So, how can you make your rhythm guitar playing more fancy or more sweeter and attractive? So here are the few vocabularies that you need to use to make your rhythm guitar better. The first method that you're going to learn is triads. And a triad is a 3-note chord that is made using the one, the do note, the 3 note, and the 5th note within the 7 notes in music. I will be using the key of A to explain this concept of triads. So right into it. So as I said earlier, we are going to use the key of A. This is the first shape, the open cowboy shape of the key of A, chord A. And the chords that we shall be using for this tutorial is an A as a 1, an E 5, an F sharp minor 6, and a D 4. I tried again. I said it's a 3-note chord. Already this is the first chord. I hope you can see. This is the B, G. This is the B, G, and D of fret number 2. That is the first chord that you're going to use. Now we need to play an E triad, and an E is made up of an E. So E, F, G. That is a G sharp. E, G sharp, A, B, and a B. So E, G sharp, and B. Here we have it. So right here we have G sharp, and here we have, this is D, so D sharp A. This is D sharp E, sorry. So we have an E, a G sharp, and an open B. These are the notes inside the E triad. Then we need an F sharp minor. This is the F sharp minor backward. So we have the root note here. There is a root note. Root, third, fifth. It is just this finger. You bar fret number 2, string number 2 and 3. Then you hold string number 4, fret number 4. That's an F sharp. Now one more chord, which is a D. We just add a note here. So we have our root, our third, and our fifth. Yeah, root, third, fifth. Now, if you're playing a chord progression where we have an A to an E, a sharp, to a D. But now, as a guitarist, there is a pianist who is playing these chords using a grand piano, so you can play the full six string chords. So what do we do? This is how we play it. So our 1, our 5, our 6, our 4, A, E, F sharp minor, D. So how do we play those chords? How can we join those chords? These chords are diatonic to A, so we can use the A major scale to join these chords so that it doesn't seem as if you're just bringing out a chord from nowhere. So, and how do we do that? First of all, this is the A major scale. Do, fret number 5, do. Do, re, mi, fa, so, wait, do, re, mi, fa, can be here fa or here fa. Fa, so, la, ti, do. Now we take it to the higher octave. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, and do. Then do, re, mi. We shall use now this scale to join the chords. So let's do it. Sorry. So what I'm doing, I am playing an A, the triad, then 5. You can also use this another one. So it doesn't feel like it is just flat. Okay, so this is the first position where you can play those triads in that key of A. We have a second position where you're going to use this A located here, but you're not going to play the backward. So you're going to spell out the notes, the 1, 3, and the 5. So here they are: root, third, fifth. Fret number 5 to fret number 7. So string number 2, 3, and 4, respectively. This is a 1, or 4 is a D. Strings number 4, 3, and 2. We have a 1 here, our 4, then our 6, yeah, this is our 6, with our middle finger at fret number 7. First finger string number 3, fret number 6. Second finger string number 4, fret number 7, and third finger string number 2, fret number 7. only have now just now let us look for the 5, the E. 1 4 5, no 6, and here is our 5. First finger, fret number 4, string number 3. Second finger, string number 2, fret number 5. Third finger, string number 4, fret number 6. So altogether 1 4 5 6. So how can we play these triads? How can we embellish them? How can we play them together? How can we feel that chord progression? We are going to use the A major scale located at this position. So this is a 1, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and then do. I had covered these scales in a previous video, so if in case you don't get it here, you can use the previous video there. You'll get the hint of it. So let's do this. All right. You can be more creative than that to make it sweeter. Then there is a third position for the same triads where our root note for A is here, located here. So our 1 is our first finger located at fret number 9, string number 3. Second finger, string number 2, fret number 10. Fret number 11, string number 4, finger number 3. That is our 1. Our 4 is here. The normal E triad. So just take out these 3 notes. Our 1, 4, 5. No, our 5 resembles our 1 here. The A at fret number 5 to fret number 7. The same 2, 3, and 4. The same second string, third string, and fourth string at fret number 5, 6, 7. Bring the same shape over. Now start at fret number 10, 11, and 12. 2, 3, 4, respectively. One, 4, 5, and now our 6. String number, finger number 1, string number 2, fret number 10. Then finger number 2, string number 4, fret number 11. Finger number 3, same fret, fret number 11, string number 3. And how can we join this together? Let's see this, how we can do it. So what I'm doing here is just a simple lick. Playing those notes. Just playing those notes. Then 4, 6, 5, 4, and to a 1. Now, with the knowledge of triads, it is going to open up the fretboard of the guitar, where you are able to connect all these triads using the major scale, the major scale there, major scale there, the major scale here. Okay, so this will open up your mind about embellishing how you play your rhythms. This is, as I said again, this is the genesis of better rhythm playing. I'm also learning. So, guys, have a nice time. Bye bye.